Welcome back to the channel, everybody.
Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are dining at a New Orleans staple that we've heard of, Restaurant Revolution.
Yeah, so come get lost with us today as we get lost in the revolution.
Oh, I'm so glad you guys made it. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you ring that notification bell because when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're still going to be dropping off the Strat. And I can't wait to take you guys with us. So let's go.
Restaurant Revolution is located in the French Quarter in New Orleans, and it's connected to the Royal Sonesta New Orleans, which is a member of the Sonesta International Hotel Collection.
All right, so now that we've gotten to the restaurant, let's have a look around.
We were talking about that. Before we came to meet. Well, so at the Korean place, you're only allowed to get like one order per person of the menu.
The Korean barbecue?
No, that's one of mine. Never mind.
It's fascinating. You?
So if y'all do have any questions on the menu on my return, I have had the privilege of enjoying every visit, so just let us know.
Thank you. I will say it's like so nice to kind of like, and the humidity. Oh my God, like I'm used to the dry. It never gets.
They're nice to you, but they're not nice. Does that make sense?
Well, sort of like a board.
Yeah, yes.
So this is the Cappuccino Martini, and I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, that's good. It's got that yummy coffee flavor to it, and it's really nice and smooth. And this is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Let's see what Gary thinks about his beer.
So I got a Paradise Park beer. It's local to Louisiana, so I figured I would give it a try. It's definitely a light, sort of amber beer. So let's give it a try. Just like I like it. Not very hoppy, but it does have a little bit of kick at the hop at the end. A little bit sort of that malty flavor. It's really pretty tasty. So we've got some appetizers coming, and we'll come and get you when we get to them.
You heard what this is, so here we go.
Really good.
Yeah, is that so good?
All right.
That is fantastic.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, let's give it a try.
It was really good.
And please, brother.
Definitely have like a smoky flavor. Really tasty salmon. Yeah, I like that. So we'll come get you when we get the appetizers.
Extra salt on it? Oh.
Yeah, that you can choose yourself.
Okay. All right, guys. Keeping up with the fashion of new food, I have never had oysters before, and I'm gonna start with these fire roasted oysters. Cheers.
She's struggling to get it down.
Is that a no?
No, that's good.
Yeah.
That's actually really good. I like it. I like it.
The breading is rich.
Yeah, that's tasty. All right, cool. I guess we're gonna go in for the raw oysters next. Is this like vinegar?
I can't believe they'd open it with that little safety. You know what I mean?
That's probably like a vinaigrette.
They allow to show that whole part where
Yeah, it's like a cocktail. Should I loosen it up?
Right.
I'm like, oh my god, it's like you're pulling it out like once it's going to be done.
Listen it with your fork, and then just.
Here we go. Raw oysters. Cheers.
Aphrodisiac.
That's actually good. I like that. I am apparently an oyster girl. So, cheers. And next up we have the blue crab stuffed beignets.
Oh yeah, don't worry about me.
You gotta eat something.
It's really tasty. Nice and fluffy on the outside. The crab is really good. I would say it's reminiscent to the crab that we had over at the Creole house. So if you guys haven't checked out that video yet, make sure you check that video up above. And yeah, so we're gonna keep digging in. Next up we have the pork belly. We've got the pork belly. It's savory, it's fatty, it's crispy, like, it's good. If you like pork belly, definitely order this next time you guys are here. All right, last up, we have the carpaccio. Here's to the carpaccio.
People would be funny. Come on insurance. Again, if you get insurance on it, you're not going to go.
It's really good.
Insurance.
It's got like a little bit of the light flavor of the vinaigrette. You've got a little bit of sea salt on there. The toast is just like, And the remoulade is just, everything has just been fantastic. So let's see what Gary thinks.
So which should I do first?
Go with the fire, just go in the same order I did. The fire grilled, raw, beignet, pork belly, tartare.
All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is the fire grilled oysters. It's good. It's interesting. I haven't had in a long time, but it's really good. And the hot sauce on it actually gives it a little kick up too. So now I'm gonna try the raw one. I think if I had to choose, I would probably do the fire grill one. I like that a little bit better, but the raw one's pretty tasty too. So both of them are really, really pretty good. The next thing I'm going to try is the pork belly. All right, nice big old piece of bacon and stuff. Really nice and fatty, super tasty. You have the crunchiness of the outside and the bottom, and then you got like the softness in between. Really, really good. Now I'm going to try the crab beignet. Tons of crab in here.
I'm trying the beignet.
Yeah,
It's really good.
I think I like that one the best so far. The crab inside, the peppers, a little bit of onion, very tasty. And then the last thing is the carpaccio. If you've seen, the first time we had this was at the Japanese barbecue, or Korean barbecue, I'm sorry. Look at it at the top corner, but it's kind of like roast beef, but it's a little more vinegary. Really tasty. Everything we've had so far, I like. If you like the oysters, definitely a great spot to get it. Some of the other stuff is great too. So we've got some main courses coming in a little bit. We'll come and get you when we're ready.
right, guys. So our food just hit the table, and we're gonna dig in. So I'm gonna actually start off with my app first because I haven't cut my steak yet. But we got some creamy mashed potatoes. Those are good. They're creamy. They're cheesy. Definitely homemade. Like there's nothing to say about that. Like they don't need any salt. They don't need any pepper. Like that is good. All right, so next up, I'm gonna dig into my steak. I got the ribeye, and I got it medium. So here we go. And it comes with a bone marrow remoulade, I think is what it's called. Really good. Definitely has really good flavor. Nicely aged. Definitely good. Let's see what Gary thinks about his.
So the first I'm gonna try is the grits. Nice and cheesy. Very thick, but it's a really good grits. Now I'm gonna try my ribeye. I got the same thing that Macy did, so. Nicely grilled, nice flavoring, really well aged. This is a really solid steak, so if you're here, I would recommend this ribeye. So we're gonna finish our meal, and then we'll catch up outside.
There's the light up menus I saw. I was like, they have light up menus. We could all split one. So I pick it up with two hands.
What's your power hand?
I'm a righty, yeah.
Okay, cool. So then you're perfect the way you are. Take it, and then you're gonna hold here. And then hold the tail. You have the tail itself, right?
Yeah.
Twist.
Twist.
Boom. So you got that's the meat.
Okay.
Okay. So people say suck the head. These aren't overwhelmingly juicy, so to speak. But if they start to pour, and then you got the sauce, the liquor, so to speak. But that's where all the seasoning's gonna be.
Okay.
All right.
So, hold on.
Okay.
People are going to tell you to peel these away. You don't need to peel those away.
Okay.
You can push them back with the front two teeth, okay?
Okay.
So here, and I'm going to hold your food for a
Yeah,
second.
go ahead.
You're going to take your food. You're going to turn it like so. And you're going to get yourself right here. And push back with your top two teeth.
Okay.
Push with your thumb and suck.
Okay.
Cool?
Yeah.
I
got a lesson, man. I got a lesson.
7 steps for one move.
Right.
Wait, do it right?
Nope.
No.
Damn it.
Because you got to push all that crap out. So now you're going to want to peel away.
Okay. That was good, though. That was good.
And then this I'll show you. Right down the middle.
Yeah,
If
right down the middle.
you take
Awesome,
this,
thank you.
and you go
Okay, so kind of like a lobster?
that, you got claw meat now too.
Ooh.
And then there's juice in there.
Ooh, this is good.
Yeah. And everywhere is going to have a little bit different.
Did they make this here? Like,
Yeah, chef made it tonight.
damn. Compliments to the chef for everything, but this is...
This is our family meal.
It's not too
That's
shabby.
awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Fucking once a year.
Oh,
Although I did just get I got some well overcooked steak as well.
Didn't you get a ball too?
I did. I went immediately from when I told you.
Yeah,
Oh,
that
good.
ball.
I went over. I'm like, hey man, I see you got four ducks on the board. How many balls you got? She's like 6. I'm like,
All mine. This is so
good
good.
stuff. Yeah. And like I said, you'll get that.
All right, so that's gonna wrap up our dinner at Restaurant Revolution. It was fantastic, and make sure you guys check out the full review because this place is a must-go when you're in New Orleans.
Yeah, everything was great. The dessert was fun. The steak with the bone marrow on it added some extra kick to it and everything. It was really fit. No, we're good. Thank you.
We're good. Thank you, though. I appreciate it.
So it was good overall,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, it was fantastic. The service was great. The food was fantastic. Everybody left full. Price-wise, it was
Or the
People keep passing us on the road.
people. It's New Orleans,
Yeah.
and it's 11 o'clock on New Orleans, so,
So
the
anyways-
party's just getting started.
So let's go. So it was a good restaurant and
Yeah.
definitely a recommend. Everything there was tasty and good, and the service was fantastic.
Yeah, could not beat the service here.
There is a secret back room that if they're not busy, they will take you in. So
Yeah.
definitely check that out. They were doing a little get together tonight, so we couldn't see it, but super cool restaurant. Anything else you want to say?
No, I think that's it. Just make sure you guys check out the full review.
Yeah. So we will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do new videos.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow
Bye.
on tomorrow's next adventure, right?
So see you on the next one, everybody.
All right, bye.
Bye.